Ready to trade in those office chairs for comfy airplane seats? Dreaming of postcard-perfect landscapes, but maybe flying solo feels a little daunting? Well, hold on to your hats. Today we're tackling the exciting world of retirement travel for solo seniors. We're talking safety, socializing, and mind-blowing experiences tailor-made just for you. Forget the image of lonely travelers. We're about empowering independent adventurers to create unforgettable memories. Get ready for our top 10 tips to unlock the world and your most incredible retirement chapter yet. Number 10. Rewrite the narrative. Solo doesn't mean lonely. Let's kick things off by busting a major myth. Solo travel equals loneliness. That couldn't be further from the truth. Solo travel, especially in retirement, is an incredibly empowering experience. It's about reclaiming your time, your passions, and your sense of adventure. It's about saying yes to experiences that resonate with you without compromise. The stereotype of the solitary traveler simply doesn't hold water anymore. A 2021 AARP survey revealed that a whopping 60% of solo travelers aged 55 plus reported feeling happier and more fulfilled after traveling alone. Why? Because solo travel fosters independence, builds confidence, and allows you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. It's an opportunity for introspection, self-discovery, and personal growth. Think of it as a chance to rewrite the narrative of your life, to create a chapter filled with adventure, freedom, and unforgettable experiences. Don't let fear or societal expectations hold you back from embracing this incredible opportunity. This isn't just about seeing the world, it's about discovering yourself in the process. It's about celebrating the unique and amazing person you are. Number 9. Smart safety strategies. Alright, let's get practical about safety. While the world is full of wonder, being smart and prepared is key to enjoying your adventures with peace of mind. This is especially vital for solo senior travel. Before you even book your ticket, research your destination thoroughly. Understand local laws, customs, and potential safety concerns. The U.S. State Department website is your best friend here. Share your detailed itinerary with a trusted friend or family member back home. Include flight details, accommodation information, and planned activities. Set up regular check-in times. Invest in a reliable travel insurance policy that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellation, and evacuation. Don't skimp on this. Consider carrying a personal safety alarm or whistle. A small, discreet device can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Be aware of your surroundings at all times. Avoid walking alone in poorly lit areas or displaying expensive jewelry. Trust your gut instinct. If a situation feels unsafe, remove yourself immediately. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language, including how to ask for help. And remember, safety is not just about avoiding danger. It's about being prepared and confident in your ability to handle any situation that arises. Number 8. Budget bliss. Worried that travel is only for the wealthy? Think again. With smart planning and a little creativity, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. Retirement offers unique opportunities for budget-friendly travel. First, set a realistic budget and stick to it. Track your spending to see where your money goes. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, for lower prices and fewer crowds. Look for discounts specifically for seniors. Many museums, attractions, and transportation companies offer reduced rates. Explore alternative accommodation options like guest houses, Airbnb apartments, or farm stays. These can be significantly cheaper than hotels. Cook some of your own meals to save on restaurant costs. Visit local markets for fresh, affordable ingredients. Utilize public transportation whenever possible. It's not only cheaper, but also a great way to experience local life. Look for free activities like walking tours, parks, and museums on free admission days. Consider house sitting or pet sitting in exchange for free accommodation. By embracing budget-friendly strategies, you can make your travel dreams a reality without sacrificing comfort or enjoyment. It's about prioritizing experiences and maximizing your travel dollars. Number 7. Pack like a minimalist. Overpacking is a traveler's burden, especially when you're going solo. The key is to pack smart, pack light, and prioritize comfort and convenience. Create a packing list and stick to it. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Opt for lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Pack comfortable, supportive walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Don't forget essential toiletries, medications, and a basic first aid kit. Pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. A portable charger for your electronics is a must-have. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Consider using packing cubes to organize your luggage. A lightweight backpack is essential for day trips and excursions. Remember, you can always buy things you forget at your destination. Traveling light frees you up to explore with ease and confidence. It allows you to navigate airports, trains, and buses without struggling with heavy bags. It's about maximizing your mobility and minimizing your stress. Number 6. Tech tools for the savvy senior traveler. In today's digital age, technology is your travel companion. It can enhance your safety, keep you connected, and make your trip more enjoyable. Ensure your smartphone is unlocked and consider purchasing a local SIM card or eSIM for affordable data access. Download essential travel apps, maps, translation apps, currency converters, and ride-sharing apps. Utilize offline maps like Google Maps' offline feature to navigate without internet access. Consider using a VPN, virtual private network, to protect your data when using public Wi-Fi. Familiarize yourself with your phone's emergency SOS feature. This can be crucial in case of an accident or emergency. Learn how to use video conferencing apps like Skype or Zoom to stay in touch with family and friends back home. Use travel booking websites and apps to find deals on flights, accommodation, and activities. Download travel guides and language learning apps to enhance your cultural immersion. Technology can empower you to travel safely, confidently, and independently. Number 5. Building your travel tribe. Solo travel doesn't have to mean isolated travel. There are plenty of ways to connect with other travelers and locals and build your own travel tribe. Join a group tour or activity. This is a great way to meet like-minded people and learn about the local culture. Consider organized senior tours. Many companies like Road Scholar cater specifically to mature travelers with educational and engaging itineraries. Explore specialized cruise options designed for solo travelers. Some cruise lines offer single cabins or roommate matching programs. Stay in hostels with communal areas or guest houses with shared kitchens. This can create opportunities for casual interaction with other travelers. Take a cooking class or language lesson. This is a fun and interactive way to learn new skills and connect with locals. Volunteer your time. Volunteering is a rewarding way to give back to the community and meet people who share your values. Use travel apps and websites to connect with other travelers in your destination. Attend local events and festivals. This is a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and meet new people. Be open to striking up conversations with people you meet along the way. A simple hello can lead to unexpected friendships and unforgettable experiences. Japan's silver tourism movement, which took off around 2015, exemplifies this shift towards recognizing and catering to the social needs of senior travelers. It's about creating opportunities for meaningful connections and shared experiences. Number 4. Cultural etiquette. Traveling to a new country is an opportunity to immerse yourself in a different culture, but it's important to do so with respect and sensitivity. Research the local customs and traditions before you go. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Dress appropriately, especially when visiting religious sites. Be mindful of your behavior and avoid making loud or offensive gestures. Try the local cuisine and be open to new culinary experiences. Support local businesses and artisans. Ask permission before taking photos of people. Be respectful of the environment and avoid littering. Be aware of the local laws and regulations. By immersing yourself in the local culture and showing respect for the people and their traditions, you'll not only have a more rewarding travel experience, but also contribute to a more sustainable and responsible tourism industry. Number 3. Health is wealth. Maintaining your health and well-being is crucial for enjoying your solo travels to the fullest. Schedule a checkup with your doctor before you go and discuss any health concerns. Ensure you have all the necessary vaccinations and medications. Pack a comprehensive first aid kit. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Eat healthy, balanced meals and avoid overeating. Get regular exercise, even if it's just a daily walk. Get enough sleep and avoid jet lag by adjusting your sleep schedule gradually. Be aware of the risks of sun exposure and wear sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Listen to your body and rest when you need to. Don't push yourself too hard. Carry copies of your medical records and insurance information. Inform your travel travel companions or tour guides of any health conditions or allergies. And most importantly, trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, seek medical attention. Number 2, top destinations for solo senior women. Okay, ladies, let's talk destinations. Where are the safest, most inspiring, and empowering places for solo senior women to travel in 2025? Consider these top contenders. Switzerland, with its stunning scenery, efficient transportation, and low crime rate. Switzerland is a haven for solo female travelers. The Netherlands, known for its canals, windmills, and liberal atmosphere, the Netherlands is a welcoming and easy to navigate country for solo adventurers. New Zealand, this island nation offers breathtaking landscapes, friendly locals, and a wide range of activities, from hiking to wine tasting. Costa Rica, with its lush rainforests, stunning beaches, and eco-friendly tourism, Costa Rica is a perfect destination for nature-loving solo travelers. Portugal, this charming country offers a rich history, delicious food, and affordable prices. It's also known for its friendly and welcoming locals. These destinations offer a blend of safety, culture, affordability, and stunning scenery, making them ideal for solo female travelers seeking enriching and empowering experiences. Number 1, embrace the unknown. You've planned, prepared, and packed. Now, the most important step: let go and embrace the unknown. The true magic of solo senior travel lies in the unplanned moments, the serendipitous encounters, and the willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Be open to changing your plans, trying new things, and saying yes to unexpected opportunities. Talk to locals, ask for recommendations, and be curious about the world around you. Don't be afraid to get lost safely and discover hidden gems. Trust your instincts and follow your heart. The best travel memories are often the ones that you never planned. Embrace the flexibility to change your plans and follow your instincts. This allows for spontaneity and the discovery of hidden gems. Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more retirement lifestyle tips, and share it with your friends who are dreaming of their own solo adventures. Happy travels, everyone!